Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can edit WhatsApp chat even after they have sent. Alright, and first of all, go to your WhatsApp application on your phone, and here I have opened my WhatsApp, and I have opened my room chat as well. And if we want to edit the WhatsApp chat, we can simply click on the WhatsApp chat. We can tap and hold on the WhatsApp chat like this until this option appear on the top of our screen. Then we can click on this three dots button on the top right corner of our screen. Then we can click on edit. After that, we can edit our chat, and I'm going to add new hashtag. Alright, after that, we can click on this check mark to send the chat. Okay guys, and now the WhatsApp chat has been edited, and that's how we can edit WhatsApp chat even after they have sent. And I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.